want you to breathe me.
Hello guys, hello again YouTube. Today I am back with a brand new video. Today is the last day of the year. It's December 31st, 2017. 2017 has been my favorite year yet. It's definitely the year that I've won the most. So grateful for the year. This year I pretty much accomplished about 95% of all the goals that I set for myself. Such a good year, which I am going to be making a lot more videos on. Spiritually, personal development, 2017 has been one of my favorite year, one of my best year to date. Thank you so much to all you guys who watched my vlogmas, and I was so excited. That definitely got me back on track on the YouTube bandwagon. I have been looking for the motivation for the longest time, and I think doing vlogmas has definitely done that for me. I'm gonna share with you guys my best beauty discoveries for 2017. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Give me a share and subscribe if you have not already. And there is a giveaway coming up. And we go ahead and get started because I will talk your ear off. As you guys may know, Kiehl's has recently, well, if you have not been watching my vlog, you probably don't know, but if you have been watching my vlogs, you would know that I have just discovered Kiehl's. I do not know how I'm just trying them out. I've seen them floating around for the longest time. I don't know why it took me so long to get on the bandwagon, but within the last couple months, Kiehl's has become one of my favorite beauty brands. It all started with this article I see on the Xoxo report from Xoxo. It was like 10 foods you should put on your face, and I was like, oh, that sounds interesting for a title. So I thought they were just telling you about the actual foods and everything, but it was just like products that has extract of those foods. I discovered this cucumber herbal alcohol-free toner. This product is so gentle to the skin. It's alcohol free, so it doesn't dry out your skin. That was a mistake that I made in the past, was using toners that had alcohol, and that completely extracted all the oils that I have in my skin. If you guys don't know, if you have oily skin, you are lucky, because the oil is what keeps you young. If you have dry skin, your skin ages so much faster when you have dry skin than when you have oily skin. If you have oily skin, just embrace it. Hey, I am just glowing. You should just like appreciate the oils in your skin, because that's what keeps your skin young. My skin has completely gotten on the dry side, and I am slowly trying to get back the moisture in my skin. I find that this toner is really soft, is really gentle. I really love it. That has been the first product that I tried from Kiehl's. Since I loved it so much, I decided that I was going to try this Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. It says this rich gel formula activates with water to create a creamy dense foam that gently removes impurities without stripping skin of its essential moisture. Formulated with calendula flower extract and glycerin. So glycerin. So calendula, I guess it's a flower, and they just extract it and use this in this foaming face wash, and I love this stuff so much. It washes like everything down. This is my second step in my night routine. Morning, I just use this on its own. I don't use anything else, because in the morning my face is usually clean. All I have in my skin is usually like a little grease, since I apply castor oil in my eyebrows. That's why I kind of like wash my face in the morning to kind of like remove any dirt. This is amazing for a second step in my beauty routine. Actually, when I travel, I just take this with me on its own. I don't need to carry anything else. It washes everything, and then the texture is so amazing. The foam is just like, it feels so clean, it feels so fresh. You know, sometimes when you use beauty products and you can already feel that they like heavy, have a lot of chemicals in there, I don't feel like that with this. This feels so light and so healthy for your skin. I really love this. Again, since I love these two products from Kiehl's, I was so excited to try like a new moisturizer from them. I wanted something that has like extra moisture, just like I told you guys, especially now in the winter. My skin is dry. Sometimes I have to apply like 2 or 3 moisturizers. After the shower, I'll apply moisturizer, and then before I go to bed, again, I would apply like a second layer of moisturizer just to make sure my skin is like moisturized. I went for the Ultra Facial Cream. This is Greenland First Accent 24-hour everyday hydrating formula with extract of glacial glycoproteins and dessert plants, and this stuff is amazing. What I love about the products, it doesn't really smell like anything too heavy. This has a little bit of like medicine smell to it, but I don't mind it. Once you apply it, it doesn't linger on. The smell doesn't linger, it goes away. I have been loving this. I went from like not using Kiehl's at all to in a month or 2 weeks having like 3 products from them. So excited to be trying out a lot more products. As you guys know, I have been using the Real Techniques beauty sponge for like the longest time since I started on YouTube, which was back in 2012. Like 5 years ago or 6 years ago, I have been using Real Techniques sponge. I did not think I was ever going to be another sponge that came close to the Real Techniques. I love the Real Techniques sponge. I still do love them. Decided to give the Beauty Blender a try, and oh my god, I fell in love. And I must say, it's so much softer than the Real Techniques one. I feel like it does blend a lot better than the Real Techniques. I was biased on Real Techniques for the longest time, to the point where I think I was given Beauty Blender in the past, just gave it to someone and I'm just not going to use this. That's how biased I was. I decided that 2017 was the year for me to experiment with like new beauty products and everything. I gave the Beauty Blender a try, fell in love. It just like blends everything so much better. It's so much softer. And the thing that I also found about the Real Techniques, they crack so much faster. After a month, they just like already cracked for me. I've had a Beauty Blender for like a year and it finally cracked after a year. It's $20, but I definitely think it's worth every penny compared to the Real Techniques, which is like $5. You can't really go wrong with the Real Techniques. It's good quality. I still use them to like set my under eye powder. As far as like blending my makeup, Beauty Blender is my go-to way to go for me from now on. Do you prefer the Beauty Blender or the Real Techniques sponge? If you do, just let me know in the comments below which one do you prefer. New product that I found, which you've probably seen in one of my MUAH vlog, was the Dr. Jart rubber mask. When I saw this picture, I was like, ooh, this looks like so scary with the yellow face, rubbery face. I saw someone try it, I don't remember who, and I was like, oh, I have to give this a try, and I tried this. Oh my god, I wore this on my flight to Morocco. By the time I got there, like, you should have seen the brightness in my face. This stuff works. This is like one of the few those face masks that when you put it in your face you can actually see the difference. Guess what I got for Christmas from Joe's mom? Joe's mom got me the mask collection. Got a pack of all these masks. I cannot wait to use them all. So far I've tried these two. I've tried the bright and the moist lover, and I must say the bright one is my favorite one so far. What I love about this mask, it comes into 2 parts. The part that goes from your forehead to your nose, and then the bottom one that comes from your nose to your chin, which make this mask like extra special. Another new beauty discovery for me this year is Glossier. Glossier has been one of those like cult favorite. You always hear everyone talk about Glossier, and this year was the first year that I was like, oh, I want to give them a try. So I went in and bought a few things, and the 2 things that I currently like a lot are the priming moisturizer and the super pure serum. This serum is so good. I don't know if it really does anything, but all I know is when you apply this before you put on your moisturizer, it gives your skin that like extra moisture that you really need. And as you can see, it's just like this is done. But my 2 favorite products from Glossier are the priming moisturizer and the super pure serum. I know a lot of people love the boy brow. It doesn't work for me because I feel like I need a color in between the brown and the black. The black is too black for me, and the brown is too light. So if they had a color in between, I think that would work for me on the days where I'm not wearing any makeup. I don't want to fill in my brows. I could just like brush. If you guys are into the gloss, let me know which one is your favorite product. If you recommend for me to try anything else, I'd love to try out more. I really like priming moisturizer. I do feel it does prime your face before you apply your makeup on. What I do is I mix this with my Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizer together, and it gives me like the perfect combination for my skin before I apply my makeup in the morning. My skin, guys, has cleared up a lot. I am so excited. I will be doing a video on how I clear my skin. Also going to be doing a skincare routine where I'm gonna show you my morning routine and my night routine. So I'm gonna show you what I use in the morning and what I use at night, because in the morning I don't use the same moisturizer that I use at night, so my routine is like different from the morning to night. Another product that I have been loving, oh my god, this is part of my night routine. It's the U.F.O by Sunday Riley. I know a lot of people love Luna. I cannot wait to try Luna because it looks like it works for a lot of people. This is an ultra clarifying face oil. Oh my god, this stuff is amazing. When I say amazing, it's amazing. It does have a strong smell. Once you get past the smell, it's so good. I was given a little sample from Sephora because I had like over 100 points, but the day that I tried it, I was like, yes, I need to go back and get the full size immediately. I went in and got the full size of the U.F.O because I booked the sample size, and I am so happy with this. So this is part of my night routine, which I will be showing you in my skincare routine video, which is coming next weekend. But do look out for that. I think I want to create some sort of a schedule with you guys so you know when to expect my videos. I think I am going to be doing 2 videos a week, or I do 1 vlog and 1 sit down video. Maybe I'll do the vlog, I'll upload the vlog during the week, which would be like a compilation of the days that I vlog if I'm doing anything interesting. And on the weekend, maybe I'll do 1 sit down video, because obviously on the weekend is when I'll have daylight to film. If you guys have any idea, any requests for videos, anything at all, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys want to see from me. So this is one of my new beauty discoveries this year. Another new beauty discovery this year was The Ordinary, which I got when I was in Toronto. Thank you so much, Abena, for putting me on. I had no idea, and it's funny, this has been on YouTube for like taking YouTube by storm. So when I was in Toronto, I met up with Jacqueline. She came with her friend, who is another blogger, Abena, going to The Ordinary store. I bought a few things. I bought their foundation, which I had to order online because always sold out. If you guys want me to do a review on their foundation, do let me know, because I do have it here. I've tried it like 2 times or 3 times already. I ended up ordering 2 of their serum. I got the salicylic acid solution and the hyaluronic acid. I am not sure if I am a fan of the hyaluronic acid, but I do know that I really like the salicylic acid. This is 2%. It's halfway done. I've used quite a lot of it. This, I kind of like go back and forth between the U.F.O and this, because you don't want your skin to get too used to one product and then it doesn't do anything for it. So that's why I like to like alternate, where like 2 weeks I'll use my U.F.O every night, and then another 2 weeks where I'll use the salicylic acid. I quite like this. If you guys have tried them, do let me know what you recommend next so I can order, because I know Sephora carries them now, which I'm so excited about. Another new beauty discovery for me this year has been the U.F.O. I've been looking for like a fluoride-free toothpaste for the longest time, and I discovered this to Chanel. Yeah, I ordered this from Amazon. This is a little harsh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order the Marvis. The Marvis, I feel like it's more gentle. In the morning I'll use the Marvis, and then at night I will use the U.F.O. This is a really good transition to get rid of your fluoride toothpaste or natural lifestyle. Another new beauty discovery for me has been the cat eyeliner by Jordana. This was $1.99 or $2, I believe. This in the color 01 black leather. This is so easy to use, and it's so good. I love the color. The Milani one was my favorite for the longest time, but you can never find it in store. So I kind of like gave up on the Milani one, which is what I've been wearing every day. I love this. A new product, well, it's not a new product to me. I have been using this, the Lancome, for the longest time, but I've kind of like rediscovered it. Last year I went through a phase where I thought this foundation was what drying out my skin, but come to find out it wasn't the foundation, it was my toner. So I've kind of like rediscovered this foundation. This is the best foundation for every day. This foundation, just like it says, it's up to 24 hours. It'll last all freaking day. You put this on from like 6 a.m. You can go on until the next day with it. Your foundation will still be put. I've been using this every day. It's actually done. I need to go to Sephora and get another bottle. I use the shade 460 Suede Warm, I guess stands for warm. The tint Ido Ultra Rare. This stuff is just amazing. I cannot recommend this foundation enough. I'm so glad that I discovered that it wasn't this foundation that was drying my skin out. It was mostly the toner. A new beauty product that I have discovered. If you guys know that I am from the Caribbean, Haiti to be specific. Back home, what we use to whiten our teeth is charcoal. So we would take the charcoal, we would rub it against your teeth. It's just like the best natural teeth whitening that's out there. People always ask me what I do to like brighten my teeth, and I always tell them charcoal. Really, here people don't cook outside where you use charcoal. Everything is electric, so I haven't really whitened my teeth. I've been wanting to use something natural because, you know me, I am not with the chemical stuff at all, and I'm trying to change my lifestyle, making it a lot more natural, using organic products. I discovered that baking soda was one of the easiest way to whiten your teeth naturally. What I do is I will take my toothbrush, put some toothpaste in there, I will wet it, then I will dip it in the baking soda. My favorite baking soda is for Bob's Red Mill. This is one of my favorite brands for like all baking stuff. If you like a good baker or if you like to bake, this is the best brand that I found to like buy all baking products. If you have been watching my vlogmas, I show you my routine, which I'll probably include in my skincare video. That's what I have been using to whiten my teeth, and I feel like it's a cleanser also to kind of like cleanse all the bacteria in your mouth and everything. I also use it to wash my clothes. I don't use Clorox, I don't use bleaching, I don't use any scented anything, so I just use baking soda or lemon to whiten or cleanse all my clothes, and I also use it for my teeth. And the last product, which I'll also be giving away, is the Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleaning Mat. This has been one of the most amazing products that I have discovered this year. This mat is so good. When I saw this, I was like, oh, this is just another product to make money. But guys, this thing works like a charm. I cannot imagine me ever washing my brush without this. This makes it so much easy. And when you pair it with the Sigma brush shampoo, forget about it. This is like a match made in heaven. If you don't wash your brushes with this, I would say just go to the Sigma website, which I will link below. Just go and get yourself this combination. This is the most amazing thing ever. I used to hate washing my brushes, but once I discovered this, never happened before. Every weekend, I'm just like washing brushes because I just love this stuff so much. It just makes my life so much easier. So since it's one of my favorite products ever, I will be giving away this cleaning mat plus the 3D HD Kabuki brush, and also come with a small makeup brush cleanser. I'm also going to give away the Sigma Brilliant Spellbinding Eyeshadow Palette. This is the giveaway for this video. I am also going to give away one of my favorite masks, a clear lover mask. So to be entered for this giveaway, all you guys have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at DadouChic, and also follow me on Twitter. Twitter is not required, honestly. I don't really care if you follow me or not on Twitter, but just be subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And what I want you guys to do is to leave me a comment in this video letting me know what is your favorite beauty discovery of 2017. I will pick a winner by Friday the 5th. So yeah, just let me know what's your favorite beauty discovery of 2017. There's another giveaway coming on a fashion haul that I am doing, so definitely look out for my next video. Happy New Year. I love you guys so much. I want to say a massive thank you for all of you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, for watching my videos, for watching all my vlogmas, for sticking with me. You know, I have not been the best at YouTube. I have not been very consistent on here. I'm really grateful for your support. So thank you again, you guys, so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next year. Bye bye.